we have the categories bicycle, motorcycle and car. And I'm pretty sure that there can be some big changes that nobody sees right now. So the gap between the categories will melt together. The design is clearly divided into two parts from the parting lines of the color. The gray one shrinks around the white body with its heart. The electronic parts are all in yellow to emphasize the electronic. Those technical features stand in contrast with the clean and seamless design. I integrated as much as possible to get a clean, modern look. You can see how our lines and surfaces run really long from the top to the bottom of our parting lines. My wish for the future is that we create a nice product and with this new kind of mobility solutions that are between those different topics. And I'm pretty sure everybody sees how much bike design can offer. It's more than just round tubes.